running combine and have that view over there, that's just pretty awesome. That's almost as awesome as watching that Mike Les guy on YouTube. That is one good looking tractor and grain cart. Hello everybody, it is Farmhand Mike, and in this video I am out in a cornfield near the town of Rankin, Illinois. In this video is a new Fendt Ideal Model 8 combine sold by Koons Equipment out of Gibson City, Illinois. The combine in this video has a Drago 12-row folding corn head on it. Also in this video you are going to see a Challenger 1042 tractor pulling a J&M 1251 Grainstorm grain cart. This Fendt Ideal combine here is set up with the LSW 1250/35R46 tires. The Fendt Ideal 8 combine is a Class 8 combine. This is powered with a MAN 12.4-liter diesel engine, rated at 470 horsepower with a peak horsepower rating of 538 horsepower. The standard Ideal 8 has a 350 bushel grain tank that can unload at 4 bushels per second, and it has an option for a 485 bushel grain tank that can unload at 6 bushels per second. The combine right here does have the 485 bushel grain tank on it, so it can unload 6 bushels of corn per second. This combine is capable of unloading the complete full hopper in 81 seconds flat. The custom bush wrap you see on the unloading auger of the combine was put on by the farmer. Now, I don't know this for sure. I am just guessing here that he likes bush beer. That's just a guess, though. I don't know. Also, you see that cab corn there, the corn, on the roof of the cab. We put that on just for the video because that's good for the comments section. Under no circumstances would somebody actually spill corn or overfill the grain tank on the combine and get that corn on the roof there. So just for the comment section only. But in all seriousness, this guy went from green combines to this, and one of his big reasons for going to this Fendt Ideal combine is that 485 bushel grain tank that can unload at 6 bushels per second. At one point last year, he was thinking he almost needed 2 grain carts to keep up with the combine and so forth, but with this big tank and this unloading speed, it is less time of that grain cart being parked under the unloading auger of the combine, so it can get back to the trucks, unload, and get back to the combine. If you go to the Fendt Ideal website, there's a PDF link there you can download, and it gives a breakdown showing how much time you're saving unloading on this combine versus one at 4 bushel per second. Koons Equipment has sold 8 of these Fendt Ideal combines, and I did get to film 4 of them now, so I do have 2 more videos coming, one with a 9T with a 45-foot MacDon Draper head on it, and I also have another one with a 16-row corn head on it that will be coming up here in the near future on my channel as well. I'm now going to turn this video over to the sound of the machines. Got a little over 11 minutes here, so please enjoy. And a little corn harvest footage from the cab of the Fendt Ideal combine. And now you can get a good look at that wrap on the unloading auger of this machine. That's going to wrap up this video. I want to thank everybody for watching. Feel free to comment below and hit that like button. You can also check me out on Instagram at Farmhand Mike. I post pictures on there almost daily. It'll give you a good idea what I've been filming and what's going to be coming up to my YouTube channel. Now with harvest winding down through a lot of the areas here, I should be able to catch up on my editing. So check back to my channel often for more exciting farming videos.